Let's understand basics of straight line in this video. Have you noticed how a road uphill feels steeper than a gentle slope of a path? That steepness is exactly what we call slope in coordinate geometry, and it helps us compare lines. First, the inclination of a line is the angle the line makes with the positive x-axis measured anti-clockwise. The slope of a line is a tangent of that inclination. So, slope m equals tan theta, where theta is not 90 degrees. When 2 points on a line are given, we find the slope with a simple formula. Say the points are x1, y1 and x2, y2 on the line. Then m equals quantity y2 minus y1 divided by quantity x2 minus x1. This formula gives a positive slope when the line rises to the right and a negative slope when it falls. Now two lines are parallel when their slopes are equal because they rise or fall at the same rate. Two lines are perpendicular when the product of their slopes equals -1. That is, m1 times m2 equals -1. To find the angle between two lines with slopes m1 and m2, we use the tangent difference formula. The tangent of the angle equals quantity m1 minus m2 divided by quantity 1 plus m1 times m2, provided the denominator is not 0. If you need the acute angle, take the absolute value of that tangent and then the inverse tangent. Let us look at examples to make these ideas clear. Question number 1 asks, find the slope of the line passing through the points 2, 3 and 5, 11. To solve, we use the slope formula. M equals quantity y2 minus y1 divided by quantity x2 minus x1. Here y2 is 11 and y1 is 3. So the numerator is 11 minus 3, which equals 8. The denominator is x2 minus x1, that is 5 minus 2, which equals 3. So m equals 8 divided by 3, that is the slope of the line through those points. Question number 2 asks, find the slope of the line passing through the points 4, 3 and 1, 5. Again use m equals quantity y2 minus y1 divided by quantity x2 minus x1. Take the points as x1 equals 4, y1 equals 3 and x2 equals 1, y2 equals 5. The numerator is 5 minus 3, which equals 2, and the denominator is 1 minus 4, which equals -3. So m equals 2 divided by -3, which simplifies to -2 divided by 3. Question: find the value of x if the points 1, -1, x, 1 and 6, 7 are collinear. 3 points are collinear if the slope between the first pair equals the slope between the last pair. So slope of the first pair equals quantity 1 minus 1 divided by quantity x minus 1, which is 2 divided by quantity x minus 1. Slope of the last pair equals quantity 7 minus 1 divided by quantity 6 minus x, which is 6 divided by quantity 6 minus x. Set them equal. 2 divided by quantity x minus 1 equals 6 divided by quantity 6 minus x. Cross multiply to solve. 2 times quantity 6 minus x equals 6 times quantity x minus 1. Simplify to get 12 minus 2x equals 6x minus 6. And then bring terms together to get 18 equals 8x. So x equals 18 divided by 8, which simplifies to 9 divided by 4. Question number 4 asks, find the angle between the lines 4x minus 3y equals 8 and 2x plus 5y equals 4. First, put each equation into slope form. Solve. 3y equals 4x minus 8, so y equals quantity 4 divided by 3, x minus 8 divided by 3, and m1 equals 4 divided by 3. For the second, 5y equals negative 2x plus 4. So y equals quantity negative 2 divided by 5x plus 4 divided by 5, and m2 equals negative 2 divided by 5. Now tan of the angle equals quantity m1 minus m2 divided by quantity 1 plus m1 times m2. Compute m1 minus m2 as 4 divided by 3 minus negative 2 divided by 5, which equals 26 plus 6/15. Simplify to get 26 divided by 15, and 1 plus m1 m2 equals 7 divided by 15. Dividing gives tan theta equals quantity 26 divided by 15 divided by quantity 7 divided by 15, which simplifies to 26 divided by 7. So theta equals inverse tangent of 26 divided by 7. Question number 5 asks, find the acute angle between y equals 3x plus 1 and y equals negative 4x plus 3. Here m1 equals 3 and m2 equals negative 4. So tan theta equals quantity 3 minus negative 4 divided by quantity 1 plus 3 times negative 4. The numerator is 7 and the denominator is 1 minus 12, which is negative 11. So the tangent magnitude is 7 divided by 11. Thus the acute angle equals inverse tangent of 7 divided by 11. So what do we learn from this? We learn to find slope from 2 points, to test parallelism and perpendicularity by slopes, to find angle between lines, and to test collinearity by equal slopes. Let us quickly remember, slope equals quantity change in y divided by change in x. Parallel lines have equal slopes and perpendicular slopes multiply to negative 1. So today we learned the main rules and saw worked examples step by step to make them clear. Keep practicing with different points and equations. It makes these steps second nature. Thank you for listening. Keep going at your own pace and explore more clear lessons and practice on EduRev when you want to learn further.